Alrighty, so time to make some dinner. This here goes. Roland, here's your number. So what are we making, Roland?
Baked potatoes and steak and mushrooms and onions.
Baked potato on the fire.
Oh. Well.
Okay, well, I'll let you do some meal prep.
Okay. Oh. A little bit of butter, a little bit of seasoning. All right. Oh. Come on.
What kind of seasonings are you using?
Pepper, salt, garlic, onion salt. Okay.
Butter on the arm of your jacket. While Roland cooks, I'm going to have my drink and a little rest, and we'll let Roland finish doing some prep and talk you through.
Potatoes are ready to go on the fire. Oh, wait.
So we'll just go over and see where the potatoes have gone.
Doing the fire.
A second, guys, the smoke's in my eyes, I cannot see. Here's the fire. All right. And that's a nice fire, by the way, Roland.
Okay, now we need our getting our steak out. That, oh, wait.
And while we were getting our fire ready, camera's really low, but while we were getting the fire ready, the axe broke. So we had to use the baby axe, and not fun. So just be careful when you're cutting your wood of your axes. Need to get a new one.
Seasoning up the steaks. Pre-made.
That's your seasoning, it's pre-made?
Yes. With garlic, onion, powder, salt and pepper.
There's tissue on the...
Tissue.
Alright. So let's take a closer look at our steaks here and nice.
Getting some mushrooms ready. We're going to try something different with Kentucky Fried Onion rings. We're going to cook with the steaks. Should be good.
Alright, so that's our prep for now. We will come back at you in a few minutes when we're done.